Yeah, I have got the last session. Insurance is always the afterthought. The finance managers will know. We look at the business and then finally insurance. So the afterthought, the quirk of fate, this is the last session. But I'm not going to be talking too much about the insurance aspects. We're going to talk about a little risk, awareness of risk. So when you look at risk, I'm going to make it very sweet and short because I know you're all tired out. You'd like to go home as quickly as possible. So what is, by quirk, risk? The risk that you see across board, it is found in the assets. So when we see the assets, your properties, your stocks, your machinery, all of these get affected by an unexpected event, and that wafer thin margin that retailers have is lost in a single claim. So we need to always look at that aspect of the assets being adequately insured so we could restart. Margins are not there. The next aspect is the loss has taken place. We have had to close down some of our stores because of that. The other element that is coming is that it is impacting the profit. The fixed costs have gone up now, and that is so the financial risk that could take place. So we look at that element also. The third is the employees. In fact, that's the major risk because employees you have trained for so long and they fall ill at a time when the market demand is greatest, you have lost out. Because they are ill, you have to put in a junior and the junior is not able to cope. Health, loss of pay, sicknesses. The customers come in great demand. We have seen Big Bazaar has those special freedom days when a large group of customers, there could be stampedes, and when stampedes occurs, there's liabilities chances greater, injuries to people, all that are affected by these situations. So these are all which insurance looks at. And the last and most important today, information technology. Now every day we hear of somebody's account being hacked or somebody's data taken and bank's account siphoned off. So what are those risks? Data hacking, loyalty customers, records are there, that is hacked, you have lost out. Cyber crime in all its forms is now the latest trend. So we have to be aware that these are the risks which have to be looked at. But it is not your main business, so you have to worry who's going to take care of it, how many things is a CFO required to do. So what you look at, somebody who knows this aspect of the business. And that's normally now today you have an opportunity of an insurance broker. Who will first, now here's the important thing, that we think the insurance broker is just helping out, but actually insurance broker should be like your doctor. You have to disclose all the facts to the doctor and then work out what is the risk. So the most important thing is your doctor, whether the doctor gets all the information, then only your doctor can treat you. If you don't tell the doctor that you are already on hypertensive drugs, your medication will have a major problem. So similarly, disclosing all facts, so it has to be an element of complete trust. We cannot keep changing each time because the process is so lengthy, your product will never meet what your requirements are. So the broker acts as getting all the data, understanding it, then seeing what are the insurance products you need to take or you may awareness of what insurance products will be needed. Thereafter, because in some cases they may even tell you that this product is not worthwhile, you've been taking it for years but it's not needed because you are not exposed to that risk. So both ways you look at it. Then they will devise the portfolio. Now very, very importantly in India, we have as of today 26 insurance companies giving products. How many of them are, who has got the best product? How do you know? Are you going to all those 26? No. So what you do is collect that information. The broker is required to do that. Now what they will do, see who has the expertise in a particular product and guide you in that manner. So where they will pick and choose and create a portfolio meeting your targets. That is what is needed. And then when the loss comes in, help you to get your claim settlement as quickly as possible without any problem. So this is essentially what is the requirement, so that the CFO